Oh, this is cool. Well, none of these are bad. This is a unique place. Yeah, trust me, I don't want to drop the camera. This is... Alright, I made it. Here you can see we got our table. They've already brought us a drink. Looks like we got some kind of Kool-Aid kind of thing going on.
Yeah, syrup.
Shum, give them the thumbs up. I don't have you on screen, but you did. Oh, that'll work. So ridiculous. Okay, I'll try to just keep it where it's just your shirt there, Shum. You can see behind Shum, the water's coming down. Our feet are in the water. We just got our food delivered to our table. Alright, Shum, you get +1 for a unique dining experience. Alright. I don't think you're going to be buying one of these in the gift shop.
You can try.
Shum, don't be cheap.
So you want something bigger? Pewter, except for the lid, which is made out of cement.
Oh.
So pewter is an alloy of tin. It consists of tin, copper, and antimony. Royal Selangor. In the year 1885, he sailed from Shantou, China to Kuala Lumpur. He did this because he wanted to craft pewter products here in Kuala Lumpur. So this is Mr. Yongkun's first shophouse, which was opened in 1911. This man here is Mr. Yongkun, and the lady at the top there in the white shirt was his wife. Royal Selangor, Selbran, and Cummins. Royal Selangor makes pewter, Selbran makes jewelry, and Cummins makes silver. So all of our products are made inside. So this is a large replica of an older face on its weight, so the heavier it is, the more valuable it is. Because of its weight and design, here's one of the methods of tin mining. It's called dulang washing. Run and own. Everything is still within, kept within the family. To the middle and remove the waste out to the ledges at the back here. It was a very large machine. It weighed around 5,000 tons. It's still like 50 times smaller than the actual Twin Towers.
Right.
You work here for 5 years, you get your hand imprinted up here along with your name. If you work here with an artist. So this here is the casting station. Initially she clamps the mold here, then she'll take a scoop of the molten pewter there and pour it into the mold. The molten pewter there is melted at 250 degrees Celsius. Which is like 482 Fahrenheit. Polishing and some after hammering. And so that's how you make the pewter cup. Yeah.
Cool. And those are the shavings, I guess.
Yeah, the shavings are produced when you scrape the surface, similar to the ones in the container just now. They'll be collected and recycled. Here you can view the finalized products, the dimples here. And you notice the dimples are straight and well aligned. This is important because if any of the dimples are out of line, the entire cup has to be melted down and reproduced and rehammered. That's why each worker has to stay for about 6 months to 1 year. So this is the Royal Selangor factory. All the products are made inside this factory. Ship outside to all our outlets around the world. So we have about 300 employees. So the area to the right and to the front is where they make all the standard items you'll see in our showrooms. But the area to the left here specifically, the small area, is where they make custom items, custom products. Usually private orders by company.
Yeah, this is cool, man.
So this is the Royal Selangor showroom. You can see all the beauty products in this hallway. Over there is the silver and jewelry showroom, and the cafe is beside it.
Okay.
If you want to ask about the
This.
yeah, all of it.
Okay, which one do you, oh,
Something I want to bring you to see next time in the East Coast.
I'm down.
My favorite piece. What we did is I like this place.
Yeah, no, I did. This you did better. No, very intricate work.
Reminds me of Gaudi.
Hello.
Hello, how we doing?
Good afternoon.
You're surrounded by beautiful stuff. That's nice.
Yeah, so is it?
That's not Malay, okay? That's Indonesian.
I got where I'll do that with her. Are they just not open yet, or?
It's open, it's fasting month, so they couldn't eat until 7:15. That's the
Oh.
only
Malaysian. Look.
is to chill. So
I see they use fluorescent lights in here. I hope it's not all the way through.
apples dripping.
Fine, I'm just trying to get some
It's Wi-Fi inside as well.
yeah, I gotta watch my head for sure. Back here, yeah. Oh, cool. How much is back here? Yeah, no, that's a pretty big drink for 30 ringgit. I'm still waiting for you to get yours, but yeah, chicken wings. But while we're waiting, let's get some watermelon drink.
Yeah.
Go ahead, go ahead and make your drink, sir. Show the people how it's done.
Bartender?
Yeah. All right. Thank you, sir. All right. So we got 2 out of it. We did create a little space up top. We'll see how many we get out of that. I'll tell you later.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. Make sure to click like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. Until next time, farewell.